I've watched drag racing videos for years, but this was my first actual pass in the SS. First burnout, first launch. Heart was pumping, and this wasn't even on a proper setup either, just regular street tyres and a full tank of fuel, so as a beginner, I think it was a pretty solid first go. Still learning the car, learning the track, and figuring out the right shift points. At the end of the day, practice makes perfect. Each run teaches you something new.
Alright guys, first time at the drag raceway. We're just doing the scrutiny, rego, I believe. Once that gets passed, then we are pretty much on the track here. A lot of cars out here, so pretty exciting day.
You don't need to wear that now. You see people lining up, they're standing.
So happy.
Got that camera set up nicely.
Love it. I knew I should have got down there, right? No, but I got a really nice ball from Ruin Code early today. I hope everyone doing this. Why did you make that stand? Doing the can down there in the middle of what else have we got going on at Big Black? We got cool cats playing.
What to do, man?
Another random child.
You can't even go in the car.
Pink headphone.
So you have to go through there.
I know, I've been there before.
Me very excited, but I don't know, somewhere lose their child, man. Alright people, getting set up now. Let's go. Can probably get 1 run or 2 runs, I don't know how much I'm gonna get. Alright, aircon off. But it's so loud outside. Gotta rip a fat bird out, apparently. I am speed. That was sick.
They're the last cars here. I think the gold one and black one are the last one.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You too.
See
14:55. So my official time was 14:55. Now this time I'll be doing a 3,000 launch. I got a 180XX. Better. That was a lot better. Meow! I don't know about you guys, but that was a full send. Man, I gotta do this more often. Man, I need a supercharger on this car, man. I feel like that run probably was a bit better.
Let's keep driving.
Thank you. See ya. Thank you, you too. Let's see how we do. Please tell me. Bro, 14 threes? Are you serious? Oh no. Oh my god, I got 14 flat pretty much. Alright. Alright, not bad. I got 14.047. That's not bad. I think the launch was a little bit better. Maybe the burnout. How's the burnout? Good?
Okay.
There you go.
Hi guys. So I witnessed the whole thing. I'm not a big fan of whatever this called, drag race or blah 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 blah. Oh, no good, I tell you. The air is toxic. My eardrums are broken. Oh, all the loud cars. You barely see any women here. The women here only accompany the husband or the boyfriend. But yeah, Daniel did very good for the first time. Yeah, he seemed to be very happy. Are you happy, Bobo?
Yeah, very happy. We need power change.
You don't need anything.
We need bigger power. Let me go take a look at my rear window. I mean my tyres. Alright, no problem with the rear tyres. Check this side. Oh, you guys probably can't see. No problem at all. Okay, no problem with the car. All good. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes all my first drag with the SSV. Very happy with it. 14 second flat pretty much. Got to get into 13s later on, but yeah, we didn't really prep it. I've got the spare tire, I've got bags in the back as well, so that definitely didn't help. However, we'll be back for round 2 another time and definitely get that supercharger installed. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.